Samsung has finally put an end to months of speculation by officially announcing the Galaxy Z TriFold. After countless leaks, rumors, and wild price predictions, we now have the real details: how much it costs, when it's coming, and what Samsung's new triple folding device means for the future of foldables. This is Samsung's first trifold phone, and its arrival expands the company's foldable lineup into 3 different styles. Until now, we've only had the flip and the fold. The trifold takes things a step further with a form factor that opens in 2 directions, creating a tablet-like screen that's much larger than what we've seen on any previous Galaxy foldable. But the biggest question people have been asking for months is the price. Early rumors claim Samsung would charge around 3,000, making it one of the most expensive consumer phones ever released. Thankfully, those predictions were wrong. Samsung has confirmed the Galaxy Z TriFold starts at KRW 3,400 in South Korea, which is roughly 2,500. Yes, it's still a premium price, but not as extreme as some expected. At this price, it's about 700 more than the Galaxy Z Fold 7, which keeps it within the realm of high-end devices rather than jumping into ultra-luxury territory. The rollout plan for the TriFold is also interesting. Samsung is taking a slow and steady approach instead of launching it worldwide all at once. South Korea will be the first market to get the device, with an official release date of December 12. After that, Samsung will expand into a handful of other countries before the end of the month. These include China, Taiwan, Singapore, and the United Arab Emirates. For customers in the United States, the wait will be a bit longer. Samsung says the Galaxy Z TriFold will arrive sometime in the first quarter of 2026. That means anytime between January and March. While there's no exact date yet, this window gives us a good idea of when to expect it. Pricing will vary slightly depending on the region, but the company says most markets will stay close to that 2,500 mark. With a device like this, Samsung wants customers to experience it firsthand before making a purchase. That's why the TriFold will be available at select Samsung stores in each launch country. Foldable phones are already unique, but a triple folding design is something entirely new in the mainstream market. Samsung knows that people will want to hold it, open it, and test the transitions before spending that kind of money. It's a smart move that helps build confidence in a brand new form factor. The arrival of the Galaxy Z TriFold marks a major moment in the foldable industry. Samsung has always been one of the biggest leaders in the space, and launching a trifold device shows the company is still pushing boundaries. Over the years, Samsung has experimented with different folding styles, hinge designs, and screen technologies. The TriFold is the next evolution in that journey, combining all of Samsung's experience into a device that aims to merge smartphone convenience with tablet-sized productivity. It also suggests that the next phase of foldable development is focused on versatility. Consumers want devices that can adapt to different tasks, small for everyday use, large for work or entertainment, and portable enough to carry easily. A trifold design tries to offer all of that without making the phone too bulky. And while this first generation is expensive, price trends usually improve over time as the technology becomes more common. The Galaxy Z TriFold also raises the bar for competitors. Other brands may now feel pressure to experiment with new designs, more advanced hinges, and larger foldable displays. Just as Samsung set the tone with the original Galaxy Fold, the TriFold may inspire a wave of new foldable ideas across the industry. For now, Samsung has delivered something bold, futuristic, and very different from anything else on the market. With an official starting price of around 2,500 and a phased release schedule that spans into early 2026, the Galaxy Z TriFold is shaping up to be one of the most exciting tech launches in years. As more hands-on experiences appear and reviews begin to surface, we'll get a better idea of how well Samsung's new form factor works in everyday life. But regardless, the TriFold represents a major step forward in foldable innovation, and it's officially on the way.